Hey guys, why am I so close to the camera? Well, something interesting happened. You guys want to see what my room looks like now? I'll show you. Be prepared, because it's going to stay this way now. Not this angle though. The camera angle will still switch, but the position of everything in this room won't. Here we go. Brand new bed. So, let's talk about Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo is one of the most infamous Hanna-Barbera characters of all time. He has entertained many kids and adults and families alike for generations. More than 50 years. And I have to applaud them. Seriously, they have so many incarnations that who gives a shit how many? It's just amazing just to see how many people respect these characters and want to see them live on in modern time. I mean, they've been done in the 80s, and the 90s, the 2000s with the live-action movies everyone hates, but I don't. Come on, guys. I have the second one. Come on. And now this CGI reincarnation that we just got recently, with the original voice actor Frank Welker once again giving a fantastic, top-notch performance as Scooby-Doo. Oh, and by the way, I put those dream catchers on the ceiling. That is not a digital effect. Seriously, it is not a digital effect, see? Come on, you can see the shadow of one. Those are actually up there, people, I'm not kidding. I don't even know how to do digital effects on here. Everyone plays a very well interpreted, everyone does a good job and does a very good interpretation of the characters. Everyone's really good at getting the modern day, and finally they have actors and actresses who actually have just a bit of a different voice. Like, they don't make the characters sound the same like we got all those other times. Hell, we got Gina Rodriguez as a little more of a Latino-ish, very ish Velma. And she's really good. Instead of that higher voice kind of thing, it sounds like she's been sucking on a helium balloon. Like every single time that she talks. Trust me, it got fucking annoying. This one actually sounds good, just using a normal speaking role. But still having that real wit about herself. And Shaggy and Scooby's origin is revealed here, and it's perfect. It has so much heart, so much passion, and throughout the story you feel empathy and sympathy for these characters. I don't even know what the hell empathy is. I think it's just another word for sympathy. But I do have to say, I'm sorry if I'm rubbing my head so much. It is hot in here. It's hot in her. I do have to say the villain, Dick Dastardly, he's actually pretty funny and very intimidating for the story. And I love how the characters' models, except for Dick Dastardly, him, his dog, I can't remember his name, his dog's name. Damn. Stupid short and long-term memory loss. And Scooby, those are the only three characters in the movie that actually look the most cartoonish, because if you notice, Dick Dastardly's eyes are closer together, and Scooby's are big and close together in a cartoonish fashion. Oh, and the opening sequence that they do for this movie, they literally went back and redid a completely reanimated version of the original Scooby-Doo Where Are You opening theme song / intro. It is such a nostalgic blast of memories for everyone who remembers these characters, which, thank God that this is the best Scooby-Doo incarnation ever. And anyone who says that this is one of the most insulting things that they've ever seen, well, you're just a hypocrite. Seriously, you cannot hurt this film, because In fact, the ending, not going to spoil too much of anything here, it's just the gang going on a completely new adventure. And it's more of a, oh, we gotta stop this villain from unleashing literal hell on Earth. Which they literally say, all hell will break loose, literally. There's an actual line in the movie like that. By the way, remember did I tell you about this? Do you remember if I told you about this one? Cowboys and Aliens, just a quick little tidbit here. Yeah, I cannot get any copies of that movie. I even looked at the library and the video store closest to me, and neither of them have it, so I'm kind of screwed. This came out in 2010, so this will not be on the top 7 list because I don't have a copy of it. Sorry. Anyway, back to Scoob. I think that the pacing is perfect, the atmosphere is great. They go for more of a science fiction-y story with the Blue Falcon character, who's voiced by, hold up, I gotta put the camera down. Mark fucking Wahlberg. And just wow. He delivers his performance. He's funny, he's got a quick wit, and it's just nice to see him playing a more humane character for once, instead of playing his, usual tough guy kind of character. Oh, and by the way, before I take off, let's just say that Scoob is definitely a movie that I wouldn't say to every time that I see it. Oh, and that also reminds me of a certain top 7 list. Speaking of top 7 lists from 2010, there is actually a top 7 list that I have to do after 2 more unboxing videos. The 10th one is being filmed as I record this. Well, technically uploaded, I should say. Can't do that simultaneously. But, okay, technically the 10th one has already been filmed, but it is being uploaded. It was pre-recorded, so it's when the bed was not here. And as for the 11th one, yeah, that one hasn't been done yet, but that will be right after that. And then we will get to the top 7 best films of 2009. Want to see the rest of the room? Yeah, I know, not everything's picked up yet. Pretty cool, huh? See you guys later.